The first is how to say he avoided answering the truth. He avoided saying the truth when the lawyer asked him questions in a more advanced way. We can say he seemed to prevaricate when the lawyer asked him questions. The same can be said in 8 different ways, like he was beating around the bush when the lawyer put forth the questions. He was being evasive. He tried to evade the question and then he dodged the question. He was being shilly-shally in answering. He was humming and hawing when the lawyer put forth the questions. To duck the issue and to tergiversate, these are other terms which can be used in place of prevaricate or avoid answering or trying to conceal the truth. The second is, I want to say that something is very costly and expensive these days. The fuel is very costly these days. How to say this in a better, advanced way? Fuel these days cost an arm and a leg. The other ways to say the same sentence are it's costing exorbitant, extortionate, fuels cost a king's ransom, it cost a pretty penny, it's a daylight robbery. Okay, the third is I want to say that I have still not decided or I'm uncertain about joining dance classes. The same in advanced would be I'm on the fence about dance classes, which means you have still not decided. The same can be said in I'm being shilly-shally about joining the classes. I'm doubtful, dubious. It's still unresolved. In dither, I am bit of verbal enjoining. I'm in a quandary. I'm on the horns of a dilemma. I have put it on the back burner. All these phrases, idioms, and words mean the same. It means to be doubtful.